Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to find Robinhood crypto PDF statement. So here's a simple workaround for that. So if you're using the Robinhood website, if you want to check for your crypto PDF statements using the website, just go to your browser, then type in the URL, which is robinhood.com, and log in into your account. Then click your profile icon at the top right corner, then select statement and history from the drop down menu. Then choose the crypto tab, then you will see a list of your monthly crypto statement. Then find the month you need and click download PDF. Then if you want to check or if you want to find using the Robinhood app, open the app, then log in into your account on your phone, then tap the account icon, which is the person symbol at the bottom right, then tap the three-line menu or the statement and history. Select crypto statement and choose the statement month you want, then tap download PDF to save it to your device, and that's it.